So hello there, good morning. You know what is the most important thing while designing any poster? That is the branding of that brand with for whom you are going to design. In branding there are some important things such as logo, colors and fonts which you are going to use in your designs. If you are making a design for a particular brand, then this is the most crucial thing. You have to take care about the colors, you have to take care about the fonts. And if you are new in graphic design, then it will be difficult for you to maintain everything, to maintain the identity of that brand. So that's why here is another option for you, which is really easy. In that option you just need to paste your design, you just need to upload your brand just one time. Later on, you just need to click on a button and it will exchange everything with the branding content, with the branding elements such as logo, colors and fonts. Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics. For this you just need to use Adobe Express. Just sign in Adobe Express. If you have an account, then you can just sign in, otherwise sign up using your email or using any kind of social media. After login there you'll find this kind of interface, then simply click on brands. Then in this window you can create your own brand. For this you just need to import design element just one time. As I said to you, there are three kind of elements which are really important for branding. One of them is logo, color and font. First we are gonna upload our logo. I'm gonna upload this one as my brand logo, and then color. There are few options for color. You can select by default colors, you can select in that by playing slider, and this is just a color picker. There is another option. If you have a code of your color, then you can directly paste your code of the color here, then it will automatically show you the color and you can use it. For now I'm going to use this color. Just click on save button and it will save your color. You can see in that examples it is automatically pasting the colors, logo, everything which we are going to import, because it is showing this is how it's going to look like once you upload your design element. Then the third most important thing is font. In font you can upload your own font if there is any particular font, otherwise you can select one of them. If your brand suitable from this color, then you can also do that. Otherwise I'd prefer to use a brand color that can be imported. Even though Interstate is my personal favorite font, but that font is not here and I don't want to waste your time to upload that font in Adobe Express. So for now I'm just going to use Futura. Then click on next. Here you have to fill the brand name. For me it's PIXIPACE and our brand is created. Just click on this button, and if you have multiple brands, if you are working for your clients, then you can also add another brands. And that for that you just need to click on this button, or you can again visit the brand option and there you'll find the options to upload more brands identity. Here you'll find here is our logo and color. It's a color combinations. There are some looks of that. This is how it's going to be look in light, medium and dark. This is for pages and this is for videos, and these all are examples of if you are going to design a website header, footer or any video outro or any kind of social media post. So this is just showing our brand identity. Our brand identity is created. Now while designing we don't need to take care about the brand, we just need to click on one button and it will replace everything with our brand identity. So for that I'm not going to show you how to design a posters right now, because I already made a video about that. If you didn't watch that video, then definitely you should watch that video first. In that I explained everything about how to design a posters in Adobe Express. So for now I am going to take a template of anyone so that I just can show you an example of a brand identity. Then simply I'm going to select any template for now, such as this one, and we'll convert it into our brand identity. It will exchange all the colors, fonts and everything. It will also paste our logo there so that brand identity can be managed easily. And here is, I imported a template. Now we just need to click on design to paste our brand identity. Then there you'll find apply brand, and it's a shuffle. It will show multiple options to you, such as light to dark mode, dark to light mode. Then click on this mode shuffle. You can check it replace our fonts and it pasted our logo there. If you want a more version of that one, then simply again click on shuffle. Here it is showing multiple colors according to that design. You may check this font is Futura, which we added in our design. So this is how you can easily update your brand in Adobe Express using web. You just need to make your brand burn time. Then in future you can create post and just click on this design button. After designing the button, click on apply brand and it will automatically exchange all the options with your branding. This can also be done in mobile phone, but before that you have to make a brand in Adobe Express using the web. In mobile phone you can create your own poster as well, and you can import a template too. For mobile phone I'm gonna import the template so that I can save your time. Now there you will find every option there. You can add colors, animation, layout. Now we wanna maintain our brand identity, so I'm gonna click on brand. Then there you will find a option switch brand and apply brand. Because we have only one option, we have only one brand added in Adobe Express web, so that's why we can click on apply brand. Otherwise, if you have a multiple brands, then you can also switch between the brands and you can apply. I'm gonna click on apply brand and it will replace the element according to that. Yes, that is fine. Then simply click on download and it will download the picture. So this is too easy. I'm sure if you are new in graphic design, then definitely you'll love this tool, you'll love this software, because in Photoshop you have to take care about a lot of things such as grid system and another things, fonts, colors, which would be difficult for you if you are new in Adobe Photoshop, if you are new in graphic design, or if you are using any kind of another software such as Adobe Illustrator. If you want to save your time, if you are new in graphic design, then Adobe Express is the best software for now, because in that you can just need to maintain, you just need to update your brand burn time. Then you simply click on design and click apply brand. Everything will be done for you. So this is it for today's class, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next tutorial. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.